Get into a car with value. 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.